Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the front loop half double crochet stitch. It's a variation of the regular half double crochet and it's worked in the front loop only. Start with a yarn over, then I'm going to show you how to find the front loop. I'm going to insert the crochet hook into the whole stitch, and you can see there's two loops on the crochet hook. The one closest to you is the front loop, which is the one we want, and the one furthest away is the back loop. So for this stitch we're going to use the front loop only, and we're inserting the hook and pulling up a loop. Then yarn over and go through all three loops on the crochet hook. And this is the same as in a regular half double crochet. So yarn over, insert the crochet hook into the front loop only, and then pull up a loop, yarn over, and go through all three loops on the crochet hook. Let's do another one. Yarn over, insert a crochet hook into the front loop only, and this is the only difference between a regular crochet and a front loop half double crochet stitch. Yarn over and pull through all three loops on the crochet hook. Let's do another one. Yarn over, insert a crochet hook into the front loop only and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through all three loops on the crochet hook. And this is how it looks after a few stitches, and you can see how easy the front loop half double crochet is. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial on this stitch.